In front of me is XIAOMI 12S Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize keyboard theme. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down. Following that, click on Additional Settings. Now select Languages and Input, Manage Keyboards, and Gboard. Following that, you need to tap on Theme section, and over here you can scroll down and click on the bottom right corners. This way you will see all available themes. Now just click on the best one for you. Manage keyboarders thanks to this switcher and tap on Apply. So when I do that and go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. If you want to customize it though, go into the same settings, but this time select this plus icon under my themes. Now click on the photo that you wish to apply. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then click on Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Click on Done. Manage keyboarders and tap on Apply. If you wish to delete one of your keyboards, click on it. Tap on the spin icon next to keyboarders and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to edit one of your custom ones, click on it, tap on this pen next to pin icon and make your changes. Then click on Save and tap on Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!